Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video on how to create this colorful retro text effects using the InShot video editor. Make sure you like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, and watch the video till the end so as not to miss any of the steps. With that being said, let's get started. Create a new blank video and set the duration you want. Change the background to green. Tap PIP and overlay the first color you want. Add keyframe at the beginning of the video and drag it down. Play the clip and at the end, drag it up back. Now see the result. Let's add other colors. Apply the same procedures using keyframes at the beginning and at the end.
You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try.
Make sure the colors are aligned accordingly.
You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when I
Then save the video.
started on me.
Now create a new blank video again and set the duration.
What's inside of me?
Then add your text. Let's use permanent marker fonts. Increase the text size. Clip the text to the end, then save it. Go back and delete the text. Tap PIP and overlay the two videos that we saved. The first one is the green screen with different moving colors. And the second one is the text video. Finally, on the text video, select blend and use darken. Now preview the final result.
What you made of me? What's inside of me? Oh, and one day you will see. Found my inner
Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Much love I got for you. I will see you in the next video. Peace.